California RV Specialist. Hey, I just want to let you know that we're using a Boss product that's a 100% silicone. It's an RV grade silicone, so it's got a lot better adhesion quality. When you're siliconing on a coach, it's kind of like painting. You know, it takes time to acquire the skills to put it on down. I've probably put on thousands of tubes of silicone. So let me show you real quick how I lay it down. All right, and you can come back and keep your finger wet when you're applying the silicone. Try to keep the lines as clean as possible. Makes the coach look a lot nicer. And there you go. I just got a little bit of cleanup and touch up, and we'll continue on. Thank you and have a good day. Dustin, California RV Specialist.